So this is the part 5 of quadratic video. So you can check the previous 4 videos in the cards here. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find solutions for difference of two squares. So the question is like this. X square minus 4 equals 0. X square minus 4 equals 0. So very easy. We can write these two numbers as difference of two squares. That means x square, 2 means a perfect square, no? That means 2 times 2 is 4, no? So I will write 4 as 2 square equals 0. The same thing. And now I have x square and 2 square. 2 square terms and the difference there because negative mark is there. So I can write the factors here as x plus 2 and x minus 2 equals 0. The first one and the second one. Middle addition mark here. First one, second one, middle minus mark. Okay. So the answer. X plus 2 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. Then x equals negative 2 or x equals positive 2. Very easy. So, if you have a doubt that how to write this one, how to write x plus 2 and x minus 2 for this equation, I will explain that one also. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to clarify that x plus 2 times x minus 2 becomes x square minus 4. Okay. What I am going to do is, I am going to simplify these two brackets. Again, I will write this one here, x plus 2 and x minus 2. Okay. So, how to simplify two brackets? This is the method. X multiplied by x square. X multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2x. 2 multiplied by x. Positive 2x. Positive 2 multiplied by negative 2. 2 times 2, 4. The answer is negative 4. Now guys, this negative 2 and positive 2 are cancelling out and only x square minus 4 is remaining. Okay, that's why I wrote x plus 2 and x minus 2 instead of x square minus 4. Okay. So moving to the next question. X square minus 9 equals 0. Then x square, 9 means 3 square, right? Equals 0. So I can write x plus 3 and x minus 3 equal 0. First one, second one, addition. Here first one, second one, subtraction. So now this is easy. We have discussed so much questions now. So x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Then x equal negative 3 or x equal positive 3. Done. The third question. This is a little bit different, right? 4x square minus 9 equals 0. But the same method. Guys, we can write 4 as 2 square. No? So I will write 2 square x square minus 3 square equals 0. Now as I have 2 square x square in the same place, I will write 2x in a bracket and outside of the bracket square. So that is 4x square. No? That's correct. Minus 3 square equals 0. Now just think this 2x as one number or as one factor or as one variable. That is a one part, only single part. So just thinking like that, we will write two factors. Now, the first number is 2x. I will write the first number in both brackets. The second number is 3. Okay. Now, in the middle, positive, negative. Okay, done. Now it's easy. Here, 2x plus 3 equals 0 or 2x minus 3 equals 0. I will write in the down. Okay, so 2x equal negative 3 or 2x equal positive 3. Then divide both the sides by 2 as we want the value of x. X equal negative 1.5 or x equal positive 1.5. This is really important, guys. In answers for the difference of two squares, you will take the same answer in the form of negative and positive. So that's easy. Now I need to find the answer in two separate parts. So the next question is 100x square minus 64 equals 0. So 10x square minus 8 square equals 0. I described this one in further in the previous question. Okay, so I just wrote 10x square here. So now we have to write the two factors. The first number is 10x and the second number is 8. Here plus and here minus equals 0. So 10x plus 8 equals 0 or 10x minus 8 equals 0. Then what I'm going to do is taking 8 to the other side. 10x equal negative 8 or 10x equal positive 8. Dividing both the sides by 10, x equal negative 8 over 10. I can simplify this one a little bit, no? 2 times 4, 2 times 5. So, negative 4 over 5 or x equal positive 4 over 5. Very easy. So now we are going to discuss the last question of this video. So that is 64x square minus 1 equal 0. Okay, 64 means 8. 8x square. 1 square. What is the answer of 1 square? Yes, that is 1. So what is the root of number 1? That is also 1. So I can just write 1 as 1 square. No change is happening, right? 1 square equals 0. So my two factors are 8x plus 1 and 8x minus 1 equals 0. So 8x plus 1 equals 0 or 8x minus 1 equals 0. Then 8x equal negative 1 or 8x equal positive 1. So dividing both the sides by 8. 8 and 8 are cancelling out. Then x equal negative 1 over 8 or x equal positive 1 over 8. That's it. Very easy. So I think you got a clear understanding about how to solve quadratic equations and finding the solutions. So this is the end of the equations lesson series. So give me a comment what you think about this, and let's meet soon in another video series. So goodbye, guys.